Don't mind me and my wood.
No!
Gotcha. Anyways, check this out. We're at the campsite, and look at this. We got a fire pit. Let's look at this campsite. Got a little thing to hang something, and then this table with coffee grounds is what it looks like on there. Let me take a whiff. Yeah, it's coffee grounds, all right. Ah, nice grassy area, but then look, there's a cool view. And it looks like it even goes down to the water. Oh, heck yeah. They even have a tire, and definitely gonna have mosquitoes, because they'd be buzzing around me right now. Yeah, that's neat. I need to try to find me some good skipping rocks. Need some good skipping rocks. I might just wander across the bank later. It is time for me to decompress and just chillax by myself and just enjoy some time. Get my hammock out, get some hammock time in. So we just gonna be chilling. And I'll catch you guys. I don't even say when. I love you. I'm gonna play with that stick later. That's what she said. Oh. Oh. Don't mind me and my wood. Honestly, like all the big logs right now are still probably like halfway wet. The ones that are along this bank of the river. So we got this, and I got an axe, so we're gonna be doing some chopping soon. Never seen one of those before. Not in real life. Thing's huge. It's probably one of the biggest boats I ever seen. That's cool. On the river. Rolling on the river. Rolling on the river. That was bad. Man, I just remembered it's supposed to rain today. So my wood's gonna get wet. So we gotta chop up this wood. Am I wearing gloves? Did I put pants on and safety goggles? Yes. Man, look at me being responsible. Anyways, let's chop up some wood. Oh no, I broke it. What was I expecting? Anyways, is there a proper technique to chopping this wood? Should I not be wearing open-toed shoes while working with an axe? Probably. But we're gonna do this anyways. That was easier than I thought. This is some good wood. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, we found the groove now. See, this isn't my first time cutting wood. And in the past, I've slam down and a stick goes flying. So that's why I'm wearing glasses this time. Because last time, I was fine. Would I be fine this time? Probably. But, just in case it were to want to come hit me in the eye, you know, better safe than sorry. Man, stop missing so much. Accuracy, accuracy, accuracy. There's a crack in it. Watch this. Oh, I'm sweaty, and I'm really hoping it rains today. It's like a 50% chance or something like that. So I'm showering outside in the rain today. But do you guys hear this rain right now? I think it's time to shower in the rain. Oh. Alrighty guys, so I'm out in the middle of nowhere in Illinois camping. Illinois? Then anyways, I'm out camping right now and I've been sleeping with those windows cracked but not fully open, and there should be no reason for me not to just enjoy the air with the windows rolled all the way down, except the bugs. They got a lot of these flies here that are like, I don't know what they are, but they look kind of like baby dragonflies or something. But they're bugging me. So what I bought prior to coming camping was fiberglass screen. It's a screen door, basically. I'm making a screen and I have these magnets. So we're gonna look, figure out, boom, length of the window, and then something we're gonna have to do as well is I have these magnets and I'm gonna have it stick into, like, I'm just gonna magnet the screen there, and I have some double-sided sticky tape to just like screen down for the nighttime so no bugs get in, but I can have the windows down. So we're gonna get to work on that. I also have a sewing kit because I'm gonna have to sew them on to here. Off we go. Oh, it's open. I didn't know that.
Surya Purya Pili Biri Buddha, Surya Purya Pili Biri Buddha, Surya Purya Pili Biri Buddha, Dum Ta Para Ta Ta Ta. Surya Purya Pili Biri Buddha, Surya Purya Pili Biri Buddha, Surya Purya Pili Biri Buddha, Dum Ta Para Ta Ta Ta.
Alrighty guys, so I've never sewn before, but this is my first time opening the sewing kit. Oh yeah, so I got the magnets right here, a handful of magnets, and then we're gonna sew them along the top so then I can just hold on to them while I magnet it up. So I got this one done, but I'll show you in a minute. Alrighty guys, so check this out. We have them in, the screens for the window. Yeah, you know what, sure, it's a little janky, but you know, it just gotta get the job done. We'll call this Mark 1. This one is not as good, but hey, gets the job done. I can have these windows open all the way for some airflow, but no bugs now. So now I'm hungry, so we're gonna eat. All right, so I filled up my jug. Today, we got some of this grilled chicken jambalaya by Alpine Air Foods. 35 grams of protein, 610 calories. We also got a can of chicken we're probably gonna throw in. So what, around 70, 80 grams, I think. 80 grams of protein, around 800 calories with all of it cooked. So let's get it. Okay, I'm getting sweaty and stinky in this. Oh yeah, looks, smells good. And I am hungry, so it's time to grub down. And there's this dude riding a motorcycle right now. Oh, I thought I kicked an anthill. My car's totally unlocked, and my keys are in there. But I think I can walk away. I think I can walk away. Dude, this is so pretty. I'm gonna have to show you this. I know, dude, isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I just want to touch it. I want to fly, bro. I want to get those wingsuits. I want to get a wingsuit and then just like drop me off in the high in the sky and then let me just dive through a cloud. Oh my gosh. That would be the coolest thing ever. Dude, look at this, the moon! The moon is by the clouds! Alrighty guys, so it is Friday. We got camping on Monday. And it is it's time to leave. I got somewhere I gotta be on Sunday, so it's time to skedaddle out of here. I met my camping neighbors the other day, so they are very cool, but our time has come to an end. I'll be talking more about that on that drive though. We got about 2 hours ahead of us today I gotta itch my balls till we get to Planet Fitness. I'm going to say goodbye to my neighbors now. They were a lot of fun. Miss Gwendolyn and Amy, some very cool people, along the Ohio River. So anyways, I'm gonna go say my goodbyes and then off we go. Alrighty guys, so we've made it to Indianapolis. Right there is a fried chicken spot, some Korean chicken. I want to get some for dinner, and we're gonna talk about the camping trip and what we got planned. So let's get this. Alrighty guys, well, we're here in Indianapolis. We got some things we're gonna do here, but first we're gonna grub out on some fried chicken. Oh, look at that. Oh, they even hooked me up with a 6 drumstick. Let's get it. Let's try this first bite. It's already sauced up. That's really good. Wow. Oh yeah. Of course, I don't know why I chose the spiciest It's awesome. I don't even like spice like that. You see that right there? That's why they call me Clear the Bone Joan. No, they don't say that. I don't like that one. Never mind. Anyway, so let me tell you about Illinois. So I camped out in Indianois Tower Rock Campground for about a week. That was cool. I made some friends, as you saw. And Gwendolyn, that older lady I met, super sweet, super cool. First day I talked to her.
What kind of camera is that? I do YouTube, bro. What kind of camera is that?
It's a Sony ZV-1.
I just heard that. Like, you got.
I left you recording anyways, talking to him about the camera, all that good stuff. So anyways, so I was out camping in Illinois, and my camping neighbor lady, her name is Gwendolyn, and I meet her, and she is on the run. She's a fugitive of the law. Not actually, she was an old lady who escaped the nursing home to rescue her cat, and then they've been just living at her van, and she's just been driving, different campsites and stuff. So she was real cool, super sweet. However, her cat ran away when she had first got to that campsite, so she had been spending her days looking, and she left all of her stuff there. Raccoons got into her trash, so I